current border conflicts within the northeastern states of India, including between Manipur and Nagaland, Nagaland and Assam, Meghalaya and Assam, and Mizoram and Assam, have often been based on historical border disputes and differing ethnic, tribal, and cultural relationships. In Meghalaya, the long pending boundary issues with Assam have been a cause of concern to both governments and especially to residents, pressure groups, non governmental as well as other social organizations, wherein from time to time agitational programs, discussions, and other forms of expressions of concerns have been taking place, but without any sort of positive response or resolution to the same. During the past year, there had been pressure upon the state government of Meghalaya to take up the issue of boundary dispute and to find ways and means to resolve the matter. In the past 2 years, a series of talks between chief ministers of Assam and Meghalaya had taken place and which have resulted in both governments assuring the masses of a resolution to the pending issue. But no concrete solution was able to emerge from such talks. However, repeated protests by NGOs and social organizations had prompted both governments to not procrastinate any longer but to solve the matter once and for all. Following this, regional committees had been constituted by the government of Assam and Meghalaya, and again, in-house discussions had taken place in an almost aggressive manner, wherein reports of both regional committees were referred to and discussed upon. In the latest development on the boundary issue, Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma and his Assam counterpart Himanta Biswa Sharma, along with government officials of both states, had met in Guwahati on the 22nd of December 2021 for another round of discussion on an amicable solution to the border dispute in the first 6 areas of differences. After the meeting, Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya Preston Tensong informed reporters on the outcome of the discussions, wherein he stated that reports of both regional committees will be submitted before the 31st of December 2021 and the issue is expected to be resolved before the 15th of January 2022.
Again tonight, our both Honorable Chief Ministers, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, and also the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, had a meeting today in the State Guest House once again, and that also after the inspection was done throughout those designated places where the differences as far as boundary issues concerned has arisen. So today we had a very productive, very good meeting. Both the chief ministers, they already taken a decision, and the decision is on or before 15th of January, we are going to sit down again, maybe another 2 times. Then on or before 15th of January, we are going to resolve the issues. And the target is on or before 31st of this December, both the regional committees from Assam as well as from Meghalaya, they need to submit a report to the respective Honorable Chief Minister, and thereafter, again, as I said you, the in-house meeting will again take place, and once that is done, then on the 15th, we put the target that on or before 15th of January, both the Chief Ministers will take a final call or a final decision on the outcome of the report, which is to be submitted by the respective regional committees of both the state, Meghalaya and Assam. So on behalf of Assam government, I'm so thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, who is so serious, who's really known the issues, which is nobody can solve it all these years. And this time, I'm so happy to see that the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, along with the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, they are determined to resolve these pending issues, which lasted almost than 50 years. So these are the issues which I would like to share with you, and I'm sure, as I said, you on or before 15th of January, we'll be able to resolve the issues, solve maybe all the entire 6 areas, but at least some areas, I am very sure, very confident that we are going to resolve it on or before 15th of January.